Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and initiating the Latch workflow. This prevents permission errors later. First, make sure your Azure subscription and resource group exist. Then sign in with Azure CLI, use as login, and set the subscription by ID. Create a service principal limited to the resources you need, because least privilege reduces blast radius. Once done, enable the relevant APIs for the Latch feature and record client ID and secret securely. These are critical for automating subsequent steps. Now you configure and deploy the Azure Latch component so it can enforce whatever behavior you need. Choose deployment ISE, ARM, Bicep, or Terraform because templates keep environments reproducible. Pass the service principal credentials via key vault or secure variables. Deploy storage, compute, and networking resources, then attach a managed identity or explicit role assignments to the Latch service. This gives it the rights to act without exposing secrets. Make sure deployment outputs include endpoint and permission checks, and validate connectivity. Finish by validating behavior and adding observability so you can see and fix issues quickly. You should run integration tests that toggle the Latch and confirm expected outcomes. Review logs in Azure Monitor and Activity Log for permission denials or runtime errors. If something fails, check key vault access and role assignments first, then redeploy the smallest failing component. Finally, rotate service credentials, configure alerts for anomaly detection, and document rollback steps so you can recover fast if production misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.